Hi, this is a quick demo of the signal generator project. It's not complete yet, but the user interface part of it's kind of semi-complete. The signal generation capability works, but also some code needs to be put in to do fancy stuff like FM tone generation and frequency shift keying. If I turn it on, the user interface is actually via command line, so you can plug in at the back into the USB serial connection. You can run like a terminal and console in, and there's a full user interface, like a menu in there. And I did want to have a display just as a secondary thing, but then I figured while I was at it I might as well put some controls on there as well. At the moment there's not much that it does, but I can adjust the frequency from here, and I try to implement like a velocity control. So ordinarily, for example, if I'm here at 10 megahertz, for every rotation it increments by about 500 hertz. So if I turn that there, it's about 500, 1000, another rotation 1500-ish, and another rotation to 2000. So each rotation, so if I go back 4 again, I'll get back to 10 megahertz. So that's per rotation, but obviously if I wanted to get from like 0 to 160 megahertz, that would then mean I'd have to turn this about 0.3 million times. So there's actually the acceleration implemented here. So if I go a bit faster, you can see I'm already up to 10.1 megahertz. And if I spin it, I can get all the way up to 160 megahertz really quickly, and similarly the other direction as well. So basically I've got like down to 1 hertz control at the moment, but also I can accelerate all the way up to 160 megahertz in about 7 or 8 seconds. This other button doesn't do anything at the moment, but that'll be used for the menu system. Thanks for watching.